Hello my friends! Today I will show you how to crochet this delicate lacy crochet snowflake with picots. Visit my website to see a written pattern for this project or to explore my other snowflake patterns. All of them are available for free. The links are in the description box below. If you find this video helpful, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell button to never miss a video. For this tutorial I used DMC cotton yarn with a 3mm crochet hook, but you can use any yarn with the corresponding hook. To start you need to make 6 chain stitches and form a loop. You can also use magic ring technique if you are familiar with it. To form a loop with your chain, make a slip stitch in the first chain stitch. Chain 4, yarn over and work 1 double crochet into the loop. Now make 1 chain stitch and repeat it 11 times. 1 double crochet, 1 chain stitch. You should have 11 double crochets after you finish. I will meet you at the end of the round. Now you've got your last double crochet and chain stitch. Close the round with a slip stitch like so. To start the next round, chain 1. Now we're going to work in the chain spaces, not in the stitches, so look carefully. Work 1 single crochet in the nearest chain space. Make 1 picot, so chain 4. Now fold this chain and make a slip stitch in its base. Four chains again. And 1 picot again. So 4 chain stitches and a slip stitch. And now attach it with 1 single crochet, still in the same chain space. Fantastic! Let's crochet in the next chain space now. Start with 1 single crochet, make 4 chain stitches, now we need to make 2 picots in the same stitch, so start with 1 exactly the same way as you did before. Now that you have one, work another chain stitches. and attach it with a slip stitch to the same stitch as your previous picot. As you can see, they now grow out of the same stitch. Let's make it to the top of the arm of the snowflake. Chain 4. Now make 3 picots in the same stitch, so start the same way that you did before. Make 1 picot, attach it with the slip stitch, now make another one right away. Attach it with the slip stitch to the same base. And now make another one. Now you've got 3 picots growing out of the same stitch. This is the top of our arm, so now we have to repeat what's on the other side. Chain 4. Work 2 picots in the same stitch. Four chains again. And 1 single crochet in the same chain space so that the whole chain with picots is folded in half. Great! What you did in these 2 chain spaces is your repeatable module. Continue with these instructions until you've got 6 long snowflake arms and 6 small spikes in between. If you need to see the instructions again, simply rewind the video or follow the written pattern on my website. In this pattern, your last single crochet is also the end of the round, so fasten off and secure the yarn once you're finished. Now your snowflake will require blocking and stiffening session, which I covered in another video. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more, please leave suggestions and feedback down below. Thanks and have a creative day!